Well, we just reached Llyn Idwal. Lovely little walk this is. Quite calm today, and it's not as hot as it has been, otherwise I don't think I'd be undertaking this. Plan today, get up to Devil's Kitchen and hopefully up onto the top up there, which is the Glyders. Never been before, we'll see if I make it, see how I feel. Travelling light, right, pictures and get moving. See you later. Good morning everyone, lovely morning for walking. Well, today I'm on my own, no Richard. I'll explain a bit about that after. But as a result of which, I thought I'd come out and come to one of my favourite places here at Llyn Idwal, Llyn Ogwen. I'm going to walk up to the Devil's Kitchen. There's a lake up there, and then up the scree slope onto the Glyders. That's the plan. Whether I manage it, who knows. As I said earlier in the intro, travelling light. So I'll get back to you. But I'll just spin you around now so you can see behind me. You've seen the Llyn Idwal where we are walking around now, and the Devil's Kitchen's right up there behind me. Spin you back round so you can see the lovely view. Anyway, let's get going. Lovely little section here. I'm just going to take you a little bit further on. These people are standing on the left, going back down across, just walking the actual lake, Llyn Idwal. You look on the tops up there, that's what's called the Idwal slabs. And you'll see very popular activity, rock climbers. Hope you can pick them out. There you go. Let's get moving again. Oh, excuse my breathing. Tough getting up here. Take it slowly though. This is obviously the little bridge. This slab was dropped in by helicopter, I believe, because it wasn't originally here, and you had to try and negotiate this. And of course, lots of accidents. But as you get a bit higher up, just like using a drone, you get a different perspective of the landscape. That's Llyn Idwal down there, and in the background you got Llyn with the Ogwen lake just down behind that down there. It's beautiful up here. Plenty of stops, take it easy, and as you can see, it's doable today, but the sun is just starting to try to creep out. Anyway, we're going to be up there. You can see where some people are just sat for a rest. It starts to get a little bit steep here, but you go up through a gully up there to a nice stile in the wall. I'll probably get back to you there after I've taken a few pictures. See you in a minute. Oh, getting really high now. Now you can see Llyn Ogwen on the right hand side with Llyn Idwal in the foreground. But this is a real steep spit now to get to the Devil's Kitchen, at least to the stile in the wall, which I said would be where I pick you up, but I just wanted to show you this. Tough going, and even travelling light, you know, it's still a struggle. Not being reasonably fit, so I really don't think, with all due respect, Richard would have been able to do this. He was doing it for fun in his early days, and he'll tell you that himself. But now, as we get older, regardless of how fit we are, we do start to struggle a bit. And I'm younger than Richard. So, and the reason I said I'd tell you why he's not coming out, we've just had that spell of extreme heat. And I'm still feeling the effects of it, as I probably think most of us are. But yeah, so I said give it a miss today. So I changed the plans, thought I'd come here and see if it's doable. It is for me, but what once was for Richard isn't now. Pick you up again after. Right, so we've reached the stile. If you look just above up there, you've got a couple of mountain goats, a couple of sheep over there. I spin you around nice and slowly. It's a beautiful view. One or two shafts of light on the mountains over there, and Llyn right in front of us. You can see the Llyn Pass, the road going down there, and the coast in the distance down there. Hope the fingering pointing is more accurate than in the last video. The angles of the camera are not fantastic sometimes. You're pointing to something completely different. Anyhow, I'm going to crack on and get a bit of lunch. Pick you up later. Right, so now reached the Devil's Kitchen. There's the lake, and as you can see, this is where the path splits right in front of us up to, is it Llyn Idwal? I was getting mixed up, them two. It's one of them. There's the lake, and here's the scree right up to the Glyders. You can see the lads heading up there, some of them. I'm on my own. There's always people around here, so popular. That's a little lake. And some of the workers I passed on the way up who were having a rest. No doubt they'll catch me up soon. Let's get going then. Well, I'll just stop for a breather. Tough going, but right in front of me now over there, that's the Trefan. And you got the Pen Ogwen, as I said earlier, on the Nan Franken Pass. You can see all the cars, hopefully in the distance down there on the road going. Beautiful, tough going, but I want to do it. Right, let's get cracking. I'm not going to lie, this is one hell of a slog. But you got to do it. Look that down there behind me. The Llyn over there, or Llyn I should say, I think. Look at that down there. Got the coast, beautiful view, and you can see it over there as well. And then of course, I'll just walk over it a bit. I'm not at the top yet, by the way. I'm hoping it's not too far. More or less level with the Trefan. Nah, but I'm glad it's just started to come to this sort of terrain now, because it was a bit of a bugger. Gotta be careful going down. Right, somebody walking down here anyway. Let's go and have a look on the top. You can see some nice low cloud on the mountains over there. You can see the rock formations as I'm nearly at the top. And you got the Snowdon and Cribgork and all them over there. Beautiful lakes down there. Just about making out on this camera probably. It's getting a bit hazy now, and there's a bit of cloud over the top of Pen Ogwen, and that river's glistening. Oh, beautiful. Anyway, nearly there. See you later. Well, look at the rock formations here. Absolutely fantastic. Keep going on about it. It's driven sort of over there. Trying to get some pictures. Lovely. Just carry on over here to the opening, because it really does open out. You got Glydervar and Glydermawr and Glydervar. Yes, it's nice to be actually walking on the flat again. Look at them though, fantastic formations, aren't they? You know, you fill your boots with some pictures up here. Right, I'm going to get some and speak to you again. Yeah, it's getting windy now, as you expect, high up. Let's just have a look over the brow of this. There you go, you see lots of people coming up. Lots to choose from. There's a nice set of rocks over there. Might go and have a look at that soon. Yeah, the landscape up here really is something to behold. Jagged rocks, beautiful views obviously, but the angle of the rocks, fantastic. Got Bristly Ridge, Trefan. I know I've repeated it, but look at it. Fantastic. Oh, it's fantastic. Beautiful landscape, isn't it?
Yeah, these rocks are crazy as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're saying that these look like straight out of a video game.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
They just don't look real.
You're right there, man. Yeah. It's Tryfan there, and then you got Bristly Ridge over there, haven't you? So, you local or not? You local? No, just.
My first time in Wales, actually.
All right, very good. Yeah, I'm only about an hour down the road, so but I've only been as far as the lake down there. That scree slope up there put me off. I thought I've got to do it before I'm still here.
Yeah.
And I've done it. We can just see the steepness on the side there of Tryfan right in front of us, and that rocky Bristly Ridge. Pretty certain that's Bristly Ridge. Somebody will put us right if I'm incorrect, but I'm pretty sure I am correct on that one. Right, let's go a bit more exploring. You can see people, lots of hikers. It's very, very popular here, this spot. I'll let you walk with me for a bit because I just want to go a bit further over here, see what we can see. But yeah, I'll turn you around to face me. Hey, sorry about the scare. But look at that behind me. It's once you're up here, you see it is flat. Yes, rocks around, but it's good to walk. Just amazed, really. It's this landscape is phenomenal. Got to do it once in a lifetime, and I've achieved it, so that's good. I did find it a slog, though, as I've said on a few occasions, no doubt. Yeah, so I haven't packed the camera, I haven't packed the tripod, as a result, lenses, I haven't even brought the drone. It's just this vlogging camera, and as far as the other camera concerned, it's just a phone. Yeah, so it's the same camera-less. I've got that, but that's it. Good enough. It shoots raw, so I can do the slight edits just to tweak them if need be. Phones have a natural tendency, don't they, to slightly saturate them, so not much work required, really. Right then, I'll move on. Let's go towards the other glider. I'm not sure if this is Glider Mawr or Glider Fach. Anyway, they're both beautiful. Let's move. So you can see what I mean when I say it's flat. This is what it's like right on the top. I'll take you towards the edge here. Don't get frightened, I know what I'm doing. But it's very steep with a fantastic drop. Looking down the Llyn Valley there, coming into view, you can see that. There's the Llyn Idwal, actually, down the bottom there. Look at that. Right on the edge. I'll just hold you out. Now, there's supposed to be a bit of a cantilever stone around somewhere. I've just seen the lads that I was talking to, they're on holiday. They've just been up in that outcrop. It could be over there, I don't know. We'll find it. If we don't, we don't. But just wanted to show you the path on the top. You've got lovely peaks of the mountains there, and that's starting to go in. Is that somebody on the top up there, maybe? Beautiful though, isn't it? I'm sure you'll agree. The photos might be a bit samey, I know, because it's just rock formation after rock formation. But who cares? It's the video that counts for you. Right, let's crack on. You might be able to pick out some of the climbers on Bristly Ridge there, wearing the orange. If I spin you around, far better view of Tryfan. You got Llyn Idwal, sorry about that pronunciation. And then right behind that, you've got Llyn Ogwen. Ben Alwyn straight over there opposite me. Really is beautiful. I'll just spin you around as I walk up to you. And there's the Glyders up there where I've just been, and I'm going to retrace my steps back. Been a beautiful walk, it's been a slog, but once I'm on here, my legs have thanked me because it's just so easy going. I've still got to go down yet, and that's going to be just as hard, overstretching, especially on the scree bit. That's why I've got to really be careful. But yeah, it's been a good day. So it's not going to be a very long video because I haven't got the drone. It's not that windy, actually. Could have put the drone up, but more weight to carry. So it's catch-22. Anyway, I wanted to do this, so it's just been a lovely walk. Phone pictures, which will still come out very nice, shooting in raw. So there you go, I can do a little bit of editing. Let's just have a look at this view here. Just nice to see a different angle of Tryfan. And look how steep there is. You wouldn't want to fall, would you? Right, I think I'll spin you around. Boom, there I am. Yeah, it's got cool up here, so I've got my hat on again. I'll spin you there. Right, you can see the background. Just want to say thanks very much for watching and joining me today, being a solo outing, because I'm always very wary. Me and Richie go out quite often, as you know. I said he's recovering after that heat spell, and you know, don't blame him. I always like that weather to go, but here we are. Changed the destination so we can go back to where we were originally going to go when the weather's a bit cooler and we're fully energized again. But I always try to, you know, I'm not being disrespectful, because me and Richie go out quite often, and we do quarries, as you know, and sometimes it can be a bit of a struggle going up there. Now, I'm not kidding, I struggle coming up here, I'm not going to lie, and I certainly wouldn't want to put Richard in that predicament, even though he's done it before, as I said earlier. And likewise when I'm with Alice, because Alice was mentioning coming up. But you know him, he lives in the mountains, doesn't he? Half my age, 3 strides to my 1. Yeah, no, so I wouldn't want to slow him down, because I know the other way as well. So, yeah, it's, you know, that's just me. I always try and, I don't want to slow people down, but, you know, I find it tiring as well. So, yeah, that's it. Anyway, so that's it for the video. You know what to do you? Appreciate, even if it's just for the bloody effort today. So I hope you can join us next time. It'll probably be me and Richard out again. And until then, thanks very much. You know, I'm going to say stay safe, have fun, and yep, keep shooting. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye. Just on my way back to the car, I thought I'd stop and show you this little waterfall, which is always intriguing. You pass it on this main road through the Nantprankum Valley. Very picturesque. There we are. Anyway, back to the car.